Okay. Okay. Congratulations to Dilara Abla for the fast rank in this game, and then Sarah Abla, Elif Abla, and others Abla. I will end this game, yeah. Congratulations. Huh. What about this? Is it bigger?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Okay. We will answer together, yeah? Okay. Nama saya Aisyah. It means my name is Aisyah. Blah blah blah. 32 tahun. 23 tahun. What is the answer?
Years. Old.
Ya, saya berusia. The answer is A. Saya berusia. Ablallah, can you hear my voice? Because maybe my internet is not really good.
Saya berusia.
Ya, saya berusia. It means saya berusia. It means usia means age. Usia means age. Saya berusia, it means, or I can say usia saya, it means my age. Okay. So nama saya Sinta, my name is nama saya Aisyah. I'm sorry. Nama saya Aisyah, my name is Aisyah. Saya berusia 23 tahun. So this is saya berusia. Because usia is age, saya berusia or usia saya, it means my age. And then, for example, if saya tinggal, what is the meaning of saya tinggal?
Live.
Yeah, live. I live. Exactly. Saya tinggal, it means I live. And then, what is tahun ini?
Tahun, years. Ini.
Yeah.
This year.
Yes, this year. Tahun ini, it means this year. Bu sene demek. Usia or umur, it's the same ya. Umur or usia, age. The meaning is age. And then, what is saya sedang? Sedang.
I am doing.
Yeah.
I am doing so.
Yeah. Doru. It means when I want to use in present continuous, simdiki zaman için, I use sedang. It means to indicate.
Geliyorum.
Yeah.
Geliyorum.
Aynen. Your gibi boleh. Simdiki zaman. Bu sedang. For example, saya sedang pergi. It means I am going. Gidiyorum demek. Your varsa Bu Yani sedang. Isyarat için.
Yes.
Okay. So the answer is nama saya Aisyah. Saya berusia 23 tahun. Okay. Any question so far for the first question? Saudara Varma?
No.
Okay. And then the next one. Question number 2. Bla bla bla. Kamu tinggal, saya tinggal di desa Payakumbuh. What is the meaning? What does it mean?
Di mana, right?
Yeah, di mana, right? Di mana means where? Di mana kamu tinggal?
Kemana?
Iya. Di mana? It means see. Di mana? Di mana kamu tinggal?
Yes.
It means where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? It means where do you live? Where do you live? Saya tinggal di desa Payakumbuh. Payakumbuh is the name of the village. Saya tinggal di desa Payakumbuh. It means I live in Payakumbuh village.
Köyde. Köy.
Ya, koy.
Kasaba.
Aynen.
Ha, öyle.
Yani Payakumbuh koyde oturuyorum yani. Nerede oturuyorsun? Payakumbuh koyde oturuyorum. O zaman burada di mana? Di mana ismi nerede? Where? Where do you live? I live in Payakumbuh village. Desa means koy, village. What is kemana? What is the meaning of kemana?
Where?
Nereden değil mi?
Ya bu
Yani
nereye?
nereden? Nereye?
Nereye? Bu nerede? It means bu where di mana where do you live? Kemana? Where are you going? Where? It's also
going.
where. Yeah, where. For example, kemana kamu pergi? It means where are you going? Or where do you go? Where do you go? Kemana kamu pergi? Yani nereye gidiyorsun? Kemana kamu pergi? Where do you go? Bu kemana? Kemana is means also where, but it's different. Di mana? Nerede. Kemana? Nereye. What is dengan siapa? What's the meaning of dengan siapa?
With whom?
Yeah, with who? Yeah, dengan siapa? It means with who? Kimin leh? With who? Di mana? Where? Nerede? Apa? What is apa? The meaning of apa? What? Nah, di mana kamu tinggal? Where do you live? Saya tinggal di desa Payakumbuh. Yani, I live in Payakumbuh village. Nerede oturuyorsun? Payakumbuh koyde oturuyorum. Aynen. Ada pertanyaan? Sorular var mı? Is there any question?
Nothing.
Okay. Is it clear enough? I think we continue to the number 3. I study at home because of pandemic. What is the meaning of this?
Yapılacak durumlar karena pandemi.
Saya belajar di rumah karena pandemi. Ya, it is C. Saya, I will write. Saya belajar di rumah karena pandemi. Karena, because. Ya, çünkü.
Evet, yes, çünkü.
Çünkü.
Villager, uçak değil mi? Villager,
Belajar. Ya, belajar study.
Yes.
Yes,
Ders
belajar ders çalışmak. Aynen. Study or ders çalışmak. Yani evde ders çalışıyorum çünkü pandemi öyle. Covid.
Yes. Rumah.
Rumah, home, house.
Okay.
Okay.
Ola? House, rumah, ev. Okay.
Evet.
Okay.
Saya belajar di rumah karena pandemi. It means I study at home because of pandemic. Yani evde ders çalışıyorum çünkü pandemi. Öyle. Belajar, study, ders çalışmak, rumah, house, ev demek. Burada neden A yanlış? Why is not A? Saya sedang belajar di rumah karena sakit. Sedang is not sedang. Because
yes, no.
it's not a present continuous. It's a
Yes.
present simple.
Zaman.
And then,
Zaman.
yes, exactly. Aynen. Sakit, it means sick. Hasta demek. Sakit. It's not sakit, it's pandemi. We call it pandemi in Indonesia. Saya belajar di rumah selama pandemi. Yani selama bu chungku demek değil, because it's not selama. Selama is means while pandemic. I study at home while pandemic. It means while. Saya belajar di rumah karena pandemi. It's the answer. Saya akan belajar di rumah selama pandemi. Akan is not akan here because it's not present, not present. Gelecek zaman, future. It's not
Yes.
future.
Now will. Yes.
Yeah, we use sedang for indicate that this is the present continuous. That continuous. We use akan to indicate future tense, simple future. And then sudah or telah to indicate past. So, sedang şimdiki zaman için, akan gelecek zaman için, sudah or telah geçmiş zaman için. O zaman burada geniş zaman. It is a present simple. I study at home because of pandemic. So, no need to use sedang, akan, or sudah, or telah. I just directly say, saya belajar di rumah karena pandemi. Okay? Is it clear enough? Any questions so far?
No.
Okay, we will continue to the next question. Number 4, she is talking with her friends about homework. What is the meaning?
Dia sedang
Berbicara.
çünkü
Dia sedang berbicara dengan teman-temannya tentang PR. Ya, sorry. This one. Dia sedang berbicara. This one. Okay? B. Dia.
o arkadaşıyla ev ödevi hakkında konuşuyor.
Evet, ödev hakkında konuşuyor. Homework PR. Ödev demek.
Yes.
Dia sedang berbicara dengan teman-temannya tentang PR. This is the true one. She is talking. It means to indicate that this is present continuous. We use sedang in Indonesian language. Sedang, it means is talking. Sedang berbicara. Talk, berbicara. The meaning of talk is berbicara with her friends, dengan teman-temannya. About what? About it means tentang homework PR or ODEF. PR, what is PR? Pekerjaan rumah. Talk is berbicara. When I say is talking, it is for present continuous, so I use sedang here. Sedang berbicara. Yeah. To indicate that this is the present continuous, I use sedang. And then homework. Homework means pekerjaan rumah in Indonesia. Pekerjaan rumah. Or we just make it short to be PR diyoruz. We just say PR for homework. Burada yani arkadaşlarla konuşuyor, yani ödev hakkında arkadaşlarla konuşuyor. Sedang bermain. Bermain ne demek? What is bermain?
Play.
Yeah, play. Bermain is means play. Oyunmak. Oynamak. Oynamak yani. Bermain is means play.
Oynamak bir oyun değil mi? Bir oyun oynamak.
Evet,
Ya da-
oyun oynamak yani. Bermain.
Çocukların oynadığı oyun.
Evet, aynen. O zaman burada yalnız. Çünkü bu bermain, but this is talking. So it's not bermain. Bermain means play. Dia sedang berbicara dengan teman-temannya tentang PR. This is the true one. What about this? Dia akan berbicara. Akan to indicate that this is the future. Okay, but this is the present continuous, so akan is not suitable here. Akan berbicara It means will talk. Konuşacak demek. Öyle.
Yes.
Dia sudah berbicara. Sudah berbicara. It means talked. Yeah, for past tense. Talk.
Past tense.
Evet. Konuştu demek. Geçmiş zaman için. For past tense. Sudah berbicara. Okay. So this is because this is present continuous, we use sedang here. Okay. Sedang berbicara. It means konuşuyor demek. Any question? Ada pertanyaan?
No question.
Okay, we will continue to the next questions. Number 5. My uncle will come to my city this weekend. Will. Will, it means for future. So what is the answer?
Akan.
Yeah,
Will akan.
Akan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pamanku.
Yeah,
Bibiku
paman.
kadın olsa gerek. Kadın pamanku dedim ben artık oradan çıkardım.
Evet. Bibiku ya da tanteku bu yani hala demek. Yani
Hala.
anti.
Sinti hocam.
Efendim?
Türkçede de Doğu Anadolu'da halaya bibi derler. Bibi.
Biraz aynı ya.
Yes.
Evet.
Eski zamanlarda halaya, babanın kız kardeşine, bazen annenin de kız kardeşine, özür dilerim, annenin kız kardeşine Eze, babanın kız kardeşine bibi derler.
Biraz aynı. Burada bibi, tante yani fark etmez annemin tarafında ya da babanın tarafında öyle. Sadece bibi ya da tante aynı demek. Ama tante bu genelde daha küçük, bibi daha büyük. Mesela annemden öyle ya da babamdan öyle. Öyle diyoruz. Okay. So bibi or tante, it means auntie. Bibi or tante, it means auntie.
Aunt.
Oh yeah, aunt. Auntie or aunt. İngilizce.
Tante, Sinti hocam tante de mi aynı aunt demek?
Yeah, aynı. But bibi genelde daha büyük. Öyle.
Büyük olan.
Evet.
Anladım, büyük olan.
Büyük kardeş. Yani mesela annem tarafında ya da annemden
Ya da
daha
teyze.
büyük ya da babamdan daha büyük kardeşi böyle. Bu bibi diyoruz. Ama mesela tante bu
Kadın tabii kadın olan. Tante.
evet. Bu daha küçük genelde. So bibi, we call bibi for example, my mother's sister, but bigger than my mother. The age is bigger than my mother. But tante for my mother's sister, but more smaller than my mother or my father. In Indonesia, we don't differentiate between mother's side or father's side. We just say bibi or tante for both of sides. Okay. What about paman? What is the meaning of
Amca.
paman? Amja. I know. It means uncle. Paman it means uncle. So my uncle, pamanku. Pamanku, it means my uncle. My uncle. Yani amjam. My uncle. Oh iya. Amjam. Pamanku.
Is there pamanku older than my father or younger? Doesn't matter?
Doesn't matter. We just call it uncle even is younger or older. We just say
Only one.
paman.
Only one elders.
Yeah. So pamanku it means my uncle will come. So there is will here for future. So I should use akan. Akan datang. It means will come. Ini gelecek. Akan datang. My uncle will come to my city. City it means kota. Ini syahir demek. my city, ke kotaku, to my city, ke kotaku. Pamanku akan datang ke kotaku akhir pekan ini. Weekend, we say it akhir pekan. This weekend, akhir pekan ini. Oke? Weekend, akhir pekan. Yani hafta sonu demek. Akhir pekan. Oke. So the answer is B. Pamanku akan datang ke kotaku akhir pekan ini. It means my uncle will come to my city this weekend. Oke. Ada pertanyaan? Tidak ada?
Ya.
Tidak. We will continue to the next questions.
Endonezya sorar mısınız Sinti hocam bir daha again? Sorunuz var diye.
Ada pertanyaan? Apakah ada pertanyaan? Apakah ada pertanyaan? It means, is there any question? Sorular var mı? Aynen. Pertanyaan is means questions or soru.
Yes.
This Zoom will end 1 minute later, so ablalar can enter again, okay? Bu bir dakika sonra bitecek Zoom, tekrar gir ya.
Oldu.
Okay. Number 6, apakah temanmu akan datang ke rumahmu hari ini? What is the meaning? Akan.
Soru.
And will, so
Mhm.
it's future.
Ya, is
We-
future.
Will come.
Temanmu, what is temanmu?
Will your friends will come your house?
Will
Your friend.
ya,
Your friend.
will your friend come to your house today?
Or